In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to download Instagram Reels without Watermark. So to download Instagram Reels without Watermark, you need to follow these steps. So here, first thing first, you want to open the Instagram application and login. And what next you want to do is on this page, you here need to scroll down a bit and locate the Reels section.
Guys, मेरे साथ हेलो
Now let's say this is the one. Now what you need to do is next click on the arrow icon and then click on the share button. When you click the share button, you could either go ahead and copy the link. Here it is, the link. Then exit out of Instagram and open up your browser. Type in Instagram Reel Downloader. When you type in, you could find a lot of options available. You could go to saveform.net. This is the one. And then paste in the link that you've actually copied, and here is the video. Now all you need to do is just click on download the file size or the format, and then follow the on-screen prompt, and that is how you could download Instagram Reels without Watermark. So that's how it basically works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.